Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a simple breakfast, low carb meal that I found. It looks really good, so I want to try it. And you use low carb wraps. These happen to be 4 carbs. We're going to use one of those. We're going to use butter, which is 0 carbs. We're going to use these everything seeds, which, let me see, yep. Everything seeds for everything bagel seeds. I don't know if you ever heard of them, but they're really good. 0 carbs. Okay, and we're going to use cream cheese, which, let me see, is 2 carbs for 2 tablespoons. So that's about what we're going to use, maybe even a little bit less than that. So you're looking at maybe a 6 carb snack. They call them bagel bites. So what we're going to do is we're going to put butter in the pan, and I'll show you how to make them, and we're going to fry them up. Get this thing hot. Okay, while the pan heats up, I'll show you what we're going to do. We're going to take a wrap and some cream cheese, 2 tablespoons. That's probably 1. We'll say that's 2. We'll spread it across the wrap. Probably should use something flatter. Be easier on here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put some cream cheese on the wrap. Right. There you go. Now we're going to take the everything seeds and we're going to load it up with everything seeds. Nice. Get some good flavor out of that. Should look like that. Yummy. Okay, let's get the butter in the pan. Get that going. Then you take the wrap and you roll it up nice and tight. Like so. The cream cheese will hold it together like glue. Then we're going to take it and we're going to cut, I guess, like 1-inch pieces out of it. Get that butter frying up. And then just put these little bites in. Get that rounded off a little. Stands up. These are the ends. There's nothing really in here. I'm going to eat it. Now that's just one wrap. You can obviously make a lot more than this, but for the video, you get it lightly brown. It should take about 2 minutes per side. See that? Nice and brown. And we'll flip it. Oh, they look delicious. These are the ends, so. Roll them a little bit. Looking good. Shut this down. I think we're good. And you take these little guys. Move that pan. And there you have it. You got some bagel bites made out of wraps, cream cheese, and everything seasoning. And now we'll give it a shot. They're a little hot. Oh my God. That's good. That tastes just like a bagel. Oh, you have no idea. You gotta make these things. I'm telling you.
Oh my.
How are they?
It does taste like a bagel.
It tastes just like a bagel. It's unbelievable.
And it's not fattening?
Oh. Who knew?
I'm glad I found this recipe for you.
My wife found this recipe, and I gotta say, it's amazing. It tastes like the bagel I haven't had since September. So it's been months.
Oh, and it's not very salty. You gotta try that with a list. You'll love it.
Alright guys, again, thanks for watching. You gotta try this out. And I'll see you next time on DIY Dad. Oh, wait. Don't forget to subscribe. Click down below. Otherwise you're going to miss out on these tasty treats. Alright guys, these were so good I had to make more. Alright, just had to. So I made another 2 wraps worth. Nice and crispy. And again, you gotta try it. You'll love it. Bagel Bites.
You better look at a close-up of what you're doing in the pan.
I will. I will, honey. Can I do the video, please? Thank you.
Well, you're the one who's complaining that it's not high enough.
I'm doing it. Alright guys, thanks for watching another quick DIY for some good food.